take a look at this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram 1500 has just under 49,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 877-932-4724 extension 242. Or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.